Hi peeps, how we doing? Well, it's Sunday afternoon here, and I'm just walking to the shops. And last night was really bad for the snow, as you saw in my previous video blogs. So yeah, as I said, I'm just walking to the shops. I'm just going to show you guys just how much snow we actually had. As you can see, all the roads are pretty snowed up, pretty thick on the ground, and yeah, it's been pretty bad. Now, I don't think we're due to get any more snow from what it says on the weather forecast, but you never know with the British weather that we get here. One minute it's sunny, the next minute it's snowing. But as you can see, it's pretty thick. It really is. Right, so if you remember guys, this is the path that I was walking up last night in my previous video blog. Yeah, we probably had about 3 or 4 inches, or if not more, 5 inches of snow here. Part of it has melted away and gone because obviously it's been gritted, but for the most part a lot of this is it's all over the roads. It's pretty thick, as you can see. But it is very cold indeed. So I'm just walking down to my local shops. I've got some things that I need to buy, and let's hope I don't fall over in all this. There's a big mound of snow here, as you can see. Oh dear. Just mind I don't fall over. Yeah. Okay, so as we walk across the road, mind I don't slip over in all the slush. Oh dear. So let's try and stay steady on my feet here. Here we go guys. So I'm walking down. Oh, I'll tell you what, last night though I really froze my arse off when I was filming for you guys. But it was certainly interesting. And oh dear. Oh, you can see all the snow there. Pretty thick. The bad snow that we've had here in the UK ended up covering much of the UK, the weather that we've had, the snow, and I'd say that we've probably had about 4 or 5 inches of snow here. I'm just walking up to some shops at the moment, and as you can see, it's pretty thick on the ground. There's not many people out today, which you can't really blame them. I suppose it's alright for the kids. The kids like the snow. I know I certainly did when I was a kid. And yeah, it's nice. It's a shame we didn't have this at Christmas really here. But you know, nice to see it, I guess. as you can see. So last night, I mean, in my previous blog, it was coming down really thick, and by the time I got home last night, my hands were numb, my feet were numb, and I just felt like a block of ice, guys, seriously. But I hope that all my subscribers are doing well. And if you're wondering what that ringing noise is, that's my cell phone going off. I'll answer it in a minute. But yeah, for those of you that are watching this, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please press that yellow subscribe button, and obviously leave comments down below in the underneath the video. I'll be carrying on my blog, guys. I'll be doing a few of these today, so I will speak to you soon. So guys, we're in Alpington at the moment, and the pond is completely frozen over, as you can see. It's pretty cold today, guys, it really is. You can see the pavements are pretty slippery and icy. I don't know what the ducks make of the ice cold weather. I suppose it bothers them so much. So this is Alpington, guys. This is what they call the Priory Pond. There's a big park here. It's really nice. So I'll be vlogging again later, guys.